Good morning, boys and girls. Story time is today with Charlotte and Luke, and we've got some goats to join the fun. So not quite sure how this is going to go, but we shall see. We've got the book, Charlotte's book, The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. What do you think, Al? Huh? What do you think? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. What's he gonna do, Al? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, bless you, oh, Charlotte sneezed, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. Boo! It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo-moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-hoo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that, get up, Lukey. Come here, Luke.
No.
For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, and even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except Al. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. What's gonna happen?
A pig.
So what's gonna happen next, guys? I know you're probably more interested in Al and these goats, but what do you think's gonna happen next? This flea says he's got a sneeze. So make a prediction. What's